Of us use review sites like Yelp to see how a business ranks with its customers. But what if those reviews are fake? New at 5, problem solver Jamil Donath explains what you need to know before trusting those online ratings.
A Harvard study shows that a good Yelp rating can increase business by 9%. On the other hand, a Gartner report estimates 10 to 15% of reviews are fake. So when a Broken Arrow store owner got a bad review on Yelp and didn't recognize the problem cited, she came to us to get answers.
Beautiful ball gown in a size 8.
Jennifer Thompson has owned Fasciano's Bridal in Broken Arrow for 17 years.
There's a 22 right here.
She has 4- and 5-star ratings on numerous online review sites. But then she got a bad review on Yelp.
It didn't sound like any of our customers.
The post was anonymous and there was no picture. Fasciano's is a small store and neither Thompson nor her staff recognized the story.
If it's a true story, I understand. Not everybody's going to be 100% with a company.
She contacted Yelp. They agreed to take it down. Then a few days later, another suspicious review. Anonymous, no picture. But this time Yelp refused to remove it. But 2 good reviews were taken down.
It's like out there.
So Thompson contacted the 2 News problem solvers for answers. We found Yelp has issues with companies posting reviews as customers. So Yelp created a recommendation software that weeds out possible fakes.
Not all reviews are created equal.
It filters reviews based on IP addresses, biased posts, and user activity. About 30% of reviews are moved to a not recommended page. Then we looked at Yelp's reviews. Since April 2014, the Better Business Bureau has received thousands of complaints about Yelp's software filtering the good reviews but leaving the bad ones. So whether good or bad, use your best judgment when looking at reviews online. And the best way to review a business? Go there yourself. Yelp says if a review violates company policy, they will manually remove it, but they won't take down every bad post because a business disagrees with it. There are other websites that have this problem, but Yelp is the only one using this software. Others manually monitor posts and remove them based on complaints. Jamil Donath, 2 News works for you.